evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a Tectonic, a.k.a. Jigsaw Sudoku. In the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, April the 10th, 2024, we have already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. And it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku. And this will be number 8340. Yeah, 8340. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 14 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 14. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here duo boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. I see only one duo box. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes, the 1 and the 2. Alright. Triple boxes. Do we have here triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple boxes here. How about quadra boxes? I see here 1 quadra box. Contains the 1 and 2, 3 and a 4. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this quadra box. Should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. More quadra boxes? No. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? Not only one of them. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? We have a T shape here. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. But it's also connected with this box. Should be also a 1. Alright. The T shape. Do we have more T shapes? Yeah. We have 1 here. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Do we have more T shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. And this one is also connected with that box, should be also a 4. All right. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left with 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have a 2 and 5. We have a 4 here. 2 and 5. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left with 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and 5 again. 2 and 5. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left with a 3 in this area should be there. Then. Let me think. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 and that box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 2 there. If I place the 2 there, then this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2. But we already have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So not the solution to place the 2 there. The only place left with 2 should be here then. And I've eliminated here the 5. So the 5 goes there. Alright. This box can be 3. This box can be 1. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so 1 or a 3. So 1 digit left in this area. For number 4 is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Alright. Alright. Now, let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Interesting. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1. So 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. I think this box should be 2, because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. Then this box can be 3, that box can be 3. So 1 box left with a 3 in this area. Should be there. Then, let me think. 1, 2. Well, these 2 boxes can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 2. If I place a 2 here or there, then I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So here can be a 2, so the only place left with a 2 in this area should be there. And is connected with that box, should be also 2. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes here. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, let me mark those, 3 and 5. Alright, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. 4 is in the same area. Yeah, definitely 5. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. 2 numbers left in this area for number 4 and 5. For the 5, we have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. Is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Then, this box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. And I've eliminated here the 2. So the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3 is connected with that box, should be also 3. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, well, I cannot place the 2 there because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here and the 4 goes there. 1 and the 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. And I've eliminated here the 1. So the 1 should be there then. And I've eliminated here the 3. So 3 should be there then. So 1 box left in this area for number 5. Alright. This box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So I've eliminated there the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this area for number 2. Alright, and now. I think this box should be, no, need to wait. These 2 boxes can be 4. Those 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. This box can be 2. That box can be, oh no, we already have a 2 here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for us 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 or 3, we have a 3 now. So this box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. 1 box left in this area for number 3. And then, let me see. This box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. And I need a 4 here. Interesting. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely 2. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and I've eliminated here the 5. So the 5 goes there. So 1 number left in this L-shaped area for number 4. Finish in 40 minutes. Well, we solved it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So, well, we're pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And have a great and fantastic Wednesday. We'll meet again tomorrow on Thursday. Until then, bye-bye for now.